Hi children, last week we have studied the last topic, that is the graphical solution of pair of linear equation two variables. Okay, that's how we will solve the equation using graphical method. So I will discuss some of the questions. Okay, so here form the pair of linear equation and find a solution graphically. 10 students of class 10. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So here the girls and boys is there. So the let number of girls be x, number of boys be y, and their difference is x minus y is equal to 4, and total 10 students are there, or x plus y is equal to 10. Now I will draw the table in which coordinates are there. Okay, then only we can find the plot the graph now. So when x, so normally I will set the value like x is 0, y is 0. Okay children, so x 0, y will be 10. When y 0, x will be 10. This also we need because the school teachers and the board exam also we need children. So I am kept this blank, but you don't take time to solve and put this value. Okay. So here also when x is 0, y will be minus 4, and when y is 0, x is 4. Here also I will tell you how I got this 5, 5 and 2, 2. Okay. So first I will plot the graph. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. So minus 1, because minus 4 is there now. So minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here you have to write x, here you have to write y. When first is what is the point? 0, 10. So here is 0, 10. 0, 10. Here will be next is 10, 0. So 10, 0. So when you plot this one, what you will get children? Like this you will get. Okay. Now next is next graph. So here you have to write this is x plus y is equal to 10. You can write any other point also, right children? Look here. This is here, look, this is 5, 5. This line one point is 5, 5. That I wrote here. Okay. Now next one 0 minus 4. So it will be here 0 minus 4, and next is 4, 0. So here it is 4, 0. So this you will get actually when I plot here na, you won't get the correct one. Here it will be okay. So here actually here is the meeting point. When we plot in the real graph now, you will get the correct one. Okay. So here you will get as 7 and 3. Okay. So this is that intersecting point 7, 3. And what is this graph children? This is x minus y is equal to 4. That all you should write there. Okay. So x7, and here one point also you can take. Here look. This is 2 and minus 2. That I wrote here. So after plotting the line, you can you can select any of the x and y coordinate here. Okay. When it is 3, what will be y? That you can write in the third column. So 7, 3, and in the paper you should write. In the graph you should write. So the solution is 7, 3. So here x is 7. So number of girls is 7. Number of boys is the y coordinate, that is 3. I hope this is clear. Next question. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So here first I will write x minus y is minus 1, 3x plus 2y is 12. So when x is 0 and y is 0, that I kept as standard. Okay. So when x is 0, y will be 1. When y is 0, x will be minus 1. This I will keep now blank. Okay. Now here when x is 0, y will be 6. When y is 0, just hide this one. So x will be 4. This also I am keeping it as blank. So when you plot this graph, this is the first line graph. Okay. No, so this is the 3x plus 2y equal to 12, and this is x minus y equal to 1. This 1, 2 I got where you check children here when it is 1, here it will be 2. And here 2 comma 3 na, so when it is 2, here it is 3. So like that I wrote there. Okay. So first you draw this one, then but the question is these line and x-axis. So here is the x-axis na, and these are the lines. So this is the shaded portion. This is the region that is belongs to the x-axis and our lines. And the coordinate will be what? Minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 0. So that you have to write there. Then area will be half BH, base. This is the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5. And here it will be 1, 2, 3. So half into 5 into 3. That will be 15 by 2 square unit. Okay. Next question. Which of the following pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So first we will write a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Here all are same. Na? Look, x is 1, here x is 2. So 1 by 2. Here 1, here 2. 1 by 2. 5 by 10, 1 by 2. If they are all are equal, so you will write dependent consistent. That means that is consistent only. So it is coincident, right children? Then you plot the graph. So 0, 0. Here also 0, 0. So you will get these coordinates, then draw. So you understood now one line is above the other. That means they are coincident lines, infinitely many solution. Next question. Here when you check, look, a1 by a2 will be x, here 3. So 1 by 3. Here minus 1, here minus 3, 1 by 3. 8, 6, 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2 means they are inconsistent, no solution. Now, here also you check children, a1 is 2, here 4, so 1 by 2. Here 1, here minus 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. By this what you understand, they are a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 mean they are consistent. So you have to plot the graph. Here only one solution you will get, that is 2 comma 2. So the solution is 2 comma 2, x is 2, y is 2. Now, next is, this is an extra question. Okay, this is very important. Okay children, this is always a repeated one. Places A and B are 100 km apart. One car starts from A, another B at same time. If the car travels in same direction at a different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speed of two cars? So here I am taking the car first. Here A is A car and here the B car. Okay, so their difference is 100 km. And one thing you have to be, this you studied in physics, if the objects are traveling in the same direction, if the vehicles are traveling in same direction, their speed will be x minus y. If they are traveling towards each other, okay, then its speed will be x plus y, okay, that you should by heart. Okay, now you will use, now you will take the speed of the car A is x km per hour, car B is y km per hour. Then you will use the concept distance by speed. Okay, because distance here we have, time we have, speed we have. So you will take distance by speed is equal to time. Here distance is what? 100. Speed is what? X minus y. So 100 by x minus y is 5. So 100 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. 5 and 100 cancel. So x minus y is 20. Next is towards each other. So 100 by x plus y, they meet in 1 hour. Here they meet in 5 hours. So 100 by x plus y is equal to 1. That is 100 is equal to x plus y. Now you can solve using elimination method. Now y cancel. 2x is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. But then you substitute 60 in any of the equation, you will get y as 40. So speed of the car A is 60 km per hour and car B is 40 km per hour. Children, so by this our chapter is over. Okay, so please go through all the videos and ask me if any doubt is there. Okay children, any doubt you can ask. Okay, I hope the chapter is perfectly okay with all of you. Okay, then only PYQs is left. Okay, okay children. Okay, thank you.